Hey, what's up, YouTube? Welcome to another Zumiez skateboard deck. Last time we looked at the Santa Cruz. Oh man, I want to get that SpongeBob one for sure. And it's on sale too. That or this ring right here, or maybe both. If I get $100. I like this one too, the glow in the dark. Yeah. He's a Roscop. Alright. Never mind that, we're on S. So, getting close to the end. Then after this, we're gonna do CCS another time, though. Scumco and Sons. Never heard of them. Never heard of this company. Alright. Scumco and Sons. He's a... Alright. Scumco and Sons. He's a TV8 model. 8.25. $60. Never heard of this company. Pioneer Repeating Station. Yeah, I never heard of this company, but some reason it's up there. Here's a Nicholson. I guess that's one of the rider. 8.25 Nicholson. Kyle Nicholson. Yeah, King of the Beverage. 8.25. $60. So, okay. Here's a, what is this? Broadcast series. The Bow. Must be one another rider. Bow. Tybiol. Is that a, voice of the Orange Empire? But we could look to see if that's a pro model. Yeah, Ty Bell. Yeah, Ty Bell. Bill. Yeah, Ty Bell. Alright. Here's just a logo. 8-inch, just a logo. Scum Company and Son. Yeah, it's funny because there's a Scum Skateboards here in Fulton, California. Proprietor quality. Proprietor. It's just their logo. I know what that word. I kind of know what that word is. I just can't pronounce it. Oh, that's it. Okay, so that's all the Scum Company and Son skateboards. Alright, that was a quick one. Alright, thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Enjoy.